Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another parts showcase. Today we want to talk about the tank wand or the master blaster. Some people call them both. What you do with this is you hook a garden hose up to it, hook it to your bathroom faucet. You're going to take and step on your toilet pedal or hold it open with your hand. You're going to drop this down through your toilet into your black water tank. Twirl it around to make sure that you're getting your tank completely clean. Cleans off the sensors, makes sure all the paper, all the solids, all the bad liquids are out. And then once you know that your tank is clean, you want to pull this out, wipe it off with a cloth, like a antibacterial wipe, and then put it away and you're good to go. Very, very important though, otherwise sensors will read that your tank's full and it's not, or half full and it's not. Also, you don't want solids left in there. They build up and kind of turn into cement. This helps you make sure it's great maintenance, helps you make sure your tank's clean and you're ready to go for your next trip. If you need one, check out our website, rvwholesalers.com/parts, or give us a call at 877-877-4494 and ask for parts. Please make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page.